A company in Westfield confirmed it is laying off more workers, meaning more locals could be out of work soon. 22 News reporter Alessandra Martinez is live in Westfield with information on the company's decision.
Savage Arms will be having its second round of layoffs in less than a year, but this time the company is letting go of 95 of its workers. ATK Sporting, which is the parent company of Savage Arms, has announced that it is going to be downsizing its workforce because of recent demands. 37 employees were handed pink slips on last April, and many were surprised that the company will be forcing more Westfield locals out of work. But more than just here on the local level, the company said that it will also be laying off 25 employees at its other facility in Lakefield, Ontario. In a statement sent to 22 News, the company president Jay Tibbetts said, quote, "Calendar year 2014 represented the industry's single largest growth year in history, largely driven by consumer surge buying. We responded to that demand by increasing production capacity and expanding our workforce. Unfortunately, we must now right-size our operations to remain efficient and competitive as consumer demands retracts." Savage Arms is one of the world's largest manufacturers of hunting rifles and shotguns, and the company has been making them for the last 100 years. And we will have all of this information on our website at wwlp.com, and we will bring you the latest updates on the air as well. Live in Westfield, Alessandra Martinez, 22 News.